Yeah, it's awesome. Especially with the water. Like, I've been here like in August and it's bone dry, but this is really awesome. Lots of good, fresh energy flowing through here. Fresh air. You know, it's that high vibrational energy, you know? Water, Mother Gaia, the woodland spirit. I mean, he was a smart man. I mean, that window there, he'd sit, have his coffee and breakfast and look at this beautiful waterfall. Yeah. I mean, I'm very blessed and fortunate to have grown up in this part of Pennsylvania. People complain all the time, but I think it's really awesome. So I hope you guys are good and blessed. I would appreciate any prayers and positive vibes because, you know, I got a psychopath on my tail who loosened my lug nuts on my tires sometime, and today I almost had an accident. Dear old dad. Anyway, the camera's acting really goofy, so talk to you later.